friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a subject that many of us can relate to: divorce. Whether you've been through it yourself or know someone who has, its impact is undeniable and often profound. But here's the real deal. While navigating divorce can feel like riding a roller coaster of emotions, from shock and grief to anger and resentment, it also presents a unique opportunity for incredible personal growth and self-discovery. Let's start by acknowledging the pain. Divorce isn't easy. It's important to give yourself permission to grieve the loss of the relationship and those dreams that you once held dear. But remember, your self-worth, it's innate and not determined by whether you're married or single. Now, those nagging what ifs and why me thoughts, boy, do they love to play tricks on us, keeping us trapped in yesterday. It's time to break free and refocus on brighter days that lie ahead. Our subconscious mind is a powerhouse, influencing so much of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors without even realizing them. By reframing your divorce narrative, you start to see it as more than just an end. It becomes a journey of growth and teaching us resilience and strength. And the magic of positive affirmations, repeating them can reprogram your subconscious, setting up an more empowering self-image and optimistic viewpoint. Let's put this into action. Visualizing is your friend here. Picture the future you want and let those images point the path to manifesting those desires. And positive self-talk, it's like having a supportive cheerleader in your corner. Catch those negative thoughts, challenge them, and replace them with uplifting affirmations. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lost to what still you hold dear, transforming your perspective to one of abundance. Now it's time to let go of the past, and letting go doesn't erase memories, but instead makes room for healing and new experiences. Embrace change. It's an invitation to rediscover strengths and transform the life in a powerful way. Rebuilding starts with reassessing your values and priorities. Envision the life you truly want and begin crafting that reality. It's critical to find and listen to your authentic voice. Express your needs and let your true self be heard. You deserve to fill your life with joy and fulfillment. Building a network of positivity, surrounding yourself with people who uplift and support you. Nurturing your growth. Remember, this isn't just a process, it's a journey of transformation. Divorce, while challenging, can be a catalyst for incredible personal growth. By embracing these changes and opportunities, you emerge stronger, more resilient, and deeply connected to your authentic self. Your new beginnings are right within reach. Embrace this journey with courage, knowing it's your chance to create a life that's truly fulfilling and aligned with your deepest values. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more empowering content, see you next time. Coach Debbie Forth Wigley. Bye for now.